Hi, this is Danny Vernon, Truck Sales Manager at Expediter Truck Sales. Summer is over and fall is beginning. There's a change of seasons, and if you're looking for a change, be sure and look us up. We've got great deals on trucks. We have straight trucks available, late model, all with APUs and some with balance of factory warranties. We also have custom dry trucks available and refrigerated trucks. We have great access to new tractors as well. For more information, just give me a call at 877-349-9303, extension 120, or look us up on the web at www.expeditertrucksales.com. And remember, if you can drive a truck, you can own the truck.